Hi, people. Let's carry on with this thing called a sentence. All right. Now, to understand this part where we will be linking sentences, so we're going to put these sentences together, we need to understand this. Sentences can be separated by a period, which is this. Puede que lo entendamos como un punto, pero en inglés gramatical, cuando tenemos el punto entre sílabas, entre sentences, lo llamamos period. Okay? So we have periods to separate two sentences, or we can put together sentences using what we have here, a comma. In this case, we're going to practice with that, right? So here we have a way to join two sentences or uh, editing some ideas with and we will also have a comma in there. So here we have this example. The apartment, I'm here, the apartment is big. So that's one sentence. The apartment is big. And we have a second sentence that says, the apartment has a nice view. The apartment has a nice view. So we have two sentences together. Let's put them together considering this, that the apartment we're talking here is the same. So this subject is the same as this one. So we're talking about the same apartment, but we're talking about two different characteristics of the same apartment. Therefore, we could say something like, the apartment is big. The apartment is big. Here we have is big, comma, because we're putting that idea together, and we are connecting the second idea. It has a nice view. Here we have something. Because we're talking about the same apartment, we can change the second subject with a object pronoun. Okay? That's a pronoun. So we're avoiding saying an apartment again or the apartment. The apartment. Okay. Remember, you can do that. You first present the subject. So let's say that this is subject one. And then, grammatically speaking, subject two can turn into it. All right? We have another example here. There is a big park. There is a big park. So, what are we talking about here? We're talking about, this is our main complement subject. The subject is here, but we're talking about a park. And what additional characteristic do we have about the park? That it has a lot of trees. It has a lot of trees. Therefore, we could say there is a big park and it has a lot of trees. So we're putting two ideas together in one simple structure. We could also do the following. Okay? We have the apartment has a nice view, and we have the apartment is big. We could also, this is additional information, we could also say the apartment is big and has a nice view. But what is the difference here? That here we're not using the second subject. So we don't have to use the comma because we're using